Hello, everyone, welcome back to Higaspot. You may set a complex passcode on your iPhone. Because you don't want your passcode to be guessed. You want to keep others from getting access to all the personal files stored on your iPhone. However, there is also an issue with having a complex passcode. If you have set a difficult to guess iPhone passcode, you will most likely forget it. Then you will be locked out of iPhone. It is a common problem that people have. If you encounter this problem, you are probably looking for a way to bypass iPhone passcode. If you want to bypass the forgotten passcode to unlock an iPhone, the only way you can do that is to factory reset iPhone. And it will delete all the content stored on your iPhone, including removing your old passcode. But don't worry. If you've backed up the data on computer or on iCloud, you can retrieve your lost data. Fortunately, if you want to bypass the iPhone passcode when you forgot it, you can choose from many available methods. The first method is using Erase iPhone feature. With the iOS 15.2 update, all supported iOS devices got the new Erase iPhone feature. It allows users to bypass iPhone passcode without connecting to a computer. All you need is a connection to a cellular or Wi-Fi network in your Apple credentials. To start the process, keep entering the wrong combination of passcode until you see the Erase iPhone option. Tap the Erase iPhone option in the lower right corner of the screen. When you go to the Erase All Content and Settings page, tap on the Erase iPhone option again. After that, enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID and tap the Erase iPhone option. Then the reset process will begin and delete all the data on your iPhone. Once the reset process is over, your iPhone will restart and initiate the setup process. And if you have a backup already, you can restore your data during the setup process. If you are facing the trouble of forgetting your passcode, then with the help of iTunes, putting your iPhone into recovery mode can help you bypass the passcode. This is one of the officially recommended methods by Apple. To use this method, you need to download the latest iTunes, and if you are using a PC, make sure it is running Windows 10 or above. Step 1. You should connect your iPhone from computer and turn it off. After that, you have to press and hold the right button to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. While holding the right button, don't let go of the button until you see the recovery mode screen. Press and hold the side button for the iPhone SE, 2nd and 3rd Gen, iPhone 8, and later models. Long press the volume down button for the iPhone 7 series. Use the home button for the iPhone SE 1st Gen, iPhone 6s, and earlier models. After doing that, open iTunes and locate your iPhone from iTunes. Then click on the Restore option. Then, choose Restore and Update option to initiate the restore process. Once the process is complete, you can select the option that lets you recover deleted data during the setup process. When your iPhone restarts with the setting page, it means that the iPhone passcode has been removed. And you bypass your passcode on iPhone successfully. Then you follow the on-screen instructions to start setting up your iPhone like a new phone. And choose to restore a backup from computer or iCloud when you are on the Apps and Data page. If using iTunes is too complicated for you, you can try a third-party tool, iPhone Unlocker. It can help you bypass iPhone passcode quickly. There are no technical requirements to use iPhone Unlocker, it only requires a few mouse clicks. And it has a user-friendly interface that works flawlessly and the process is very fast. To start using the iPhone Unlocker to bypass an iPhone passcode, download and install it on your computer. Then open it and select the Wipe Passcode option from the main interface. After that, connect your iPhone to the computer. If your iPhone is not recognized, click on the Device Connected but Not Recognized link and follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into the recovery mode. Then, confirm your device information and then click on the Start to continue. The tool will start downloading the appropriate iOS software for your iPhone, and it might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, type 0000 in the pop-up warning box that appears on your screen, and then click on the Unlock option. Now, the tool will work its magic, and all you need to do is wait for the software to help you unlock your iPhone. Once this unlocking process is complete, your iPhone will reboot and you will be able to bypass the passcode to access your iPhone. The last method you can use to bypass the passcode of your iPhone is by using the Find My feature. But this feature is only available if Find My is enabled and your iPhone has a stable internet connection. 1. To do that, start by opening the iCloud.com website on a computer and log in to the Apple account linked with your iPhone. 2. You will see all the iCloud features in the bottom left corner of the main page. Select the Find iPhone option. 3. Then click the All Devices option on the top section of the page and select your locked iPhone. 4. Select the Ease iPhone option from the small pop-up window with 3 options. 5. Then select Erase to erase all your data and settings, including your passwords. If you forgot your iPhone passcode, then try one of the methods in the video to bypass your iPhone passcode. Choose a suitable method and try it now. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to unlock iPhone. Thanks for watching.